Quick introduction to ONiO.zero. Integrated radio, integrated microcontroller, integrated peripherals, integrated memory, and integrated power management. Built from day one with one goal in mind, lowest power for your application. So what we have on the table here is our product, ONiO.zero. It's a highly integrated chip. It's a wireless microcontroller. But on top of being a conventional wireless microcontroller with the accoutrements of a CPU, memories, and a radio, we also have built-in power management. And this is one of the things that makes the ONiO.zero platform very unique, is that every piece is tailored and working together. So it's not an external PMIC that talks to a microcontroller that works with a harvesting IC. Everything is put together and everything is made for day one with one purpose in mind, and that is to use the minimum amount of energy possible. And since we did that, we also had a benefit of allowing the high level of integration. We also allowed it to be very tailored and working specifically together. A lot of that is lost when you're using external components. When you have a wireless microcontroller talking to an external power management, a lot of that is lost because the external power management chip is usually made with a wide array of voltages and current capabilities to solve as many applications as possible, while we could optimize and say, well, grabbing this and putting it in internal to the chip, we could optimize for our application and not every other application out there. At the same time, we have chosen to go with a RISC-V CPU, a 32-bit RISC-V CPU. And here again, we were able to choose an open standard and optimize it and tailor it to our needs and not taking an off-the-shelf IP that suits many different applications and has many different targets to solve because it has many customers. So we could take our own take at a RISC-V CPU, tailor it, customize it, and optimize it for our need. And again, have a very good power envelope that we could adhere to. Same goes for our peripherals. Again, they're not off-the-shelf IPs. They're made by us internally, and again, tailored to fit this platform of ultra or extreme low power that we have. I can also mention that as any wireless microcontroller, we have a Bluetooth and 15.4 radio on board. Again, here we could use the same techniques and tricks that we did on the CPU and on the power management, making everything internal, everything relying on the platform that we built on a chip, means that we have a radio that roughly is a third of the power of any radio in the market today at the same metrics as those radios. So if it's a 0 dBm, we're typically a third of the power that you'll see those radios are at 0 dBm. So again, summarizing, it's power management, CPU, memories, radio, and peripherals all bundled in one package, all optimized for that package and with one view in mind, and that's to give you the user and the application owner the lowest power budget possible with a wireless microcontroller.